How to earn money easily. Earning money easily can be subjective and depends on various factors such as your skills, resources, and opportunities available to you. While there is no guaranteed way to make money quickly and effortlessly, here are a few suggestions that might help you earn some extra income. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Online freelancing. If you have marketable skills like writing, graphic design, programming, or virtual assistance, you can offer your services on freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. Clients from around the world often hire freelancers for various projects. Online freelancing is a popular and flexible way to earn money by offering your skills and services to clients worldwide. Here are some steps to get started with online freelancing. Identify your skills. Determine what skills or expertise you have that can be valuable to others. It could be writing, graphic design, web development, programming, marketing, translation, virtual assistance, or any other specialized skill. Create an online presence. Set up a professional online presence to showcase your skills and attract clients. Create a portfolio website or use platforms like LinkedIn or Behance to showcase your work and highlight your experience. Choose a freelancing platform. There are numerous freelancing platforms where you can find clients and projects. Some popular platforms include Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, Toptal, Guru, and many more. Research and choose a platform that aligns with your skills and offers opportunities in your field. Build your profile. Create a compelling profile on the chosen freelancing platform. Include details about your skills, experience, portfolio, and any relevant certifications. Make sure to write an engaging bio and emphasize your expertise to attract potential clients. Participate in online surveys or microtasks. Some websites and apps provide opportunities to earn money by taking surveys, completing small tasks, or watching videos. Although the pay may not be substantial, it can be an easy way to earn a little extra cash in your spare time. Rent out your assets. If you have spare rooms, a car, or other valuable assets, you can consider renting them out on platforms like Airbnb. This way, you can generate income from underutilized resources. Affiliate marketing. If you have a blog, website, or a strong online presence, you can join affiliate programs and earn commissions by promoting products or services of other companies. When someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link, you receive a percentage of the sale. Tutoring or teaching online. If you excel in a particular subject or skill, you can offer tutoring or teaching services online. Platforms like VIPKid, Tutor.com, or Udemy allow you to connect with students and share your knowledge for a fee. Start a small business. If you have a unique product or service idea, starting a small business can be a way to earn money. Whether it's crafting handmade items, offering specialized services, or selling products online, starting a business requires effort and dedication, but can lead to financial rewards. Remember, while these suggestions may provide opportunities for earning money, they still require time, effort, and possibly some initial investment. It's important to approach any income-generating opportunity with realistic expectations and a willingness to put in the necessary work. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.